Welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening thing. My name is Ruchi and today I am going to show you how to grow cucumber plants from seeds. So here I have cucumber seeds that I have soaked in water overnight. This helps in the germination process. It just becomes easier to germinate. And here I have a seed planter which has these 6 pods in it. So basically this helps when the plants grow in it, and if you want to take out the plants from one pod only, the other plants are not disturbed. So it helps that way. It has a regular potting soil mix. So what we do is just take one seed. So I have about 10-12 seeds, so I'll try to put 2 seeds in each pod. So just pick one seed and just push it down about half an inch or so and cover it with the soil. Take the next seed, push it down, cover it with the soil. Next seed, push it down, cover it with the soil. There is no right side or wrong side of the seed. It can go any which way. It and then I'll water it. So this is a summer plant. So a temperature between 70 to 85 degree Fahrenheit is good for this plant. And so just after sowing the seeds, you should keep it in a warm place where the soil stays moist, so that the seeds are moist, and it will help in germination. And once the seedlings come out, then you can move them to a filtered light area so that they can grow. So about 10 days have passed and some of the seedlings have come up. Um, Hopefully, as the weather warms up, more seedlings will come out. So it's been 3 weeks and one more seedling sprouted, but that's about it. In any case, the other ones, the 3 on the left side, they have developed the third leaf also. So, they will be ready for transplantation pretty soon. The tall one is probably ready for a transplant, but other ones, we have to wait for some time. By the way, by the time we finish this video with the end result, all the other seedlings also sprouted. I think they were just waiting for the weather to, get warmer. So we have this big planter in which we are going to plant our cucumber saplings. So at the bottom it has a lot of holes, and to cover those holes we have put well composted leaves there. So that way the water can go out but the soil will not go out, and the leaves will provide more nutrition and they will get composted. And then we have filled it with potting soil mix with lot of compost in it. So now it is ready. It is about 18 inches tall, just to give room to all these cucumber saplings, because when they grow big, they will need a lot of space. So gently take them out from the planter and separate them gently. So it's kind of difficult to separate these out, so we're going to just plant them together. It doesn't matter, one of them will become will have more strength than the other, and then we'll just cut out the weak one if it becomes a problem. Okay, so just put it in and gently press the soil around it so that the roots and the plant gets the support. And then so this one is easy because it was a single one. So just put it in and press gently around the soil. And this fourth one is not doing very well. It is slightly stunted, but we'll see. We'll just plant it in any case, and maybe with all this rich soil, it will grow well. So, while watering, always make sure that you don't overwater your plants. Though it has drainage at the bottom, but always stick your finger in the pot, and if it feels dry, then you should water it, otherwise, don't water it. And as the plants grow older, then we'll do mulching. So now our plants have grown a little bit taller, and we have done mulching in the plant. So the mulching helps in three ways. First of all, it keeps the soil moist, so you don't have to water that often. Secondly, it does not let the weeds grow because they don't get the sunlight. And third, it creates a healthy environment for the soil microbes, so which helps in the growth. And now you can see that the plants have started getting the tendrils, so they are getting to be a vine now. The cucumber vine is growing well. It had some flowers that we pinched off because it's not that big yet, it's about 9 inches long, so it's not strong enough to have good cucumbers. So we have pinched off the flowers. We'll wait for it to become longer and stronger, and then we'll let the flowers grow. So as the summer has arrived, our cucumber plant has grown really, really big. So many branches have come out, and you can see cucumber flowers and small cucumbers everywhere. So it's doing really well. Some of the cucumbers, they are growing really fast. So like this one, in last 5 days, it has grown by 2-3 inches at least. So that's pretty good. So I hope this inspires you to grow your own cucumber plants, because they're not that tough to grow. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.